In today's video, I will show you how to add this YouTube animation button to your videos, just like this. Meanwhile, do well to like the video and subscribe to the channel. What that like and subscribe button does is to remind the viewers that they need to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So while editing your video and you tell your viewers to like the video and subscribe to the channel, you will add that animation button at that place so that it will remind them to like that video and subscribe to the channel. The first step is to download this like and subscribe animation button. For you to download the YouTube subscribe animation button, you need to open your Google Chrome browser, click on the search button and type YouTube subscribe button animation free download. Then click on search. It will take you to all the free subscribe animation download here. You can see that Pixabay and Pixels have those free green screen animation buttons. So you can just click on the first one that says download free animation button. If you scroll down, you are going to see all the free green screen YouTube subscribe animation button. You will see the like button and all that. There are plenty here. Just go through them, see the one that suits your own taste, and you'll be able to download them. For instance, I like this one and I want to download it. What you will do is to click on it. It will open up like this. Go ahead and click on this download button. When you click on download, it will show you all the qualities here, all the resolution. You can download this particular resolution, is good, okay? So since it's already on that one, go ahead and click on this download button. You can see that the file has already been downloaded. Now that you have downloaded the YouTube like button and subscribe button, let me show you how to add it on your video and remove this green screen, okay? Do well to watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any important step. The video editing app we shall be using for this tutorial is CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, go to your Play Store or App Store and download CapCut app. After downloading, open your CapCut app, click on New Project. It will take you to all the videos on your phone gallery. Go ahead and click on the particular video you want to edit and add the YouTube subscribe animation button to. This is the one I want to add it to. So I'll go ahead and select this particular video I want to add it to. When you select the video like this, click on this add a button. This is the playhead. You can see that this playhead is at the beginning of this video. So whatever effect you take now to be at the beginning of this video. And this is the play button. Okay, so go ahead and play the video and listen to the video. At the place where you say subscribe, that is where you're going to add that YouTube subscribe animation button. So I'll click on this play button now and see where I mention subscribe or I mention like. Okay, let me play the video. You can see I'm playing the video and this is a particular place where I say they should like and subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to click on the pause button. This same play button is the pause button. So when you get to that place, pause the video. And below here, you will see the tools. Among these tools, look for overlay. You can see overlay right here. Click on overlay. When you click on overlay, it will take you here. Click on add overlay. It will take you to your phone gallery. Go and select the YouTube subscribe animation button. Tap on it and it will appear like this. Click on this add button. The YouTube subscribe button has been added. Click on this play button so that you will play this subscribe button. I want the animation to click on that subscribe where I say subscribe, and I want it to click on that like when I say like. So since I say they should subscribe, I will play this video so that the animation can click on that place where I say subscribe. Then the animation will click on the subscribe button so that it will match the voice and the animation button. Do you understand that? So I'll click on this play button right now. So now it is clicking on like. So maybe if it's only like that you want them to like, it will like them. This particular page, it has clicked on subscribe right now. So you see that. Now you see that this is longer. So in case it happens like that, what you can do is to adjust this animation so that it can enter the place you say they should like and the place this you say they should subscribe. Okay, so what you will do now is to long press on this green screen and move it right or you move it left. Okay, so now I will long press on it and move it this way so that where I mention subscribe can match where this hand is going to click on this subscribe button, and when I say like, it's going to click on this like icon. Okay, so now that I've moved it, I will play it again and see that it matched. Now that it has matched, it is good to go. Okay, what you will do now is to tap on this green animation bar so that you can select that layer. Okay, now that the layer has been selected, we are looking for remove BG. BG means background, so you are looking for remove background icon. Among these ones, you will not see the remove background, which means it's possibly around this area. If you swipe these icons left, you will see the hidden icons that are inside here but did not appear on this particular tools bar. Okay, so now I'm going to swipe left so that I can see the hidden icons that are inside here. I'll swipe left now and look for that remove BG. Let me swipe. Okay, right here is the remove BG, so I'll click on remove BG. It will take me to these other tools. Among them, you will see chroma key. Click on chroma key. When you click on chroma key, you will see color picker, and you will also see intensity as well as shadow. Go ahead and click on color picker. When you click on color picker, you are going to see this color picker tool, and there is a particular place at the center here. It is this center that picks the color. Right now you will see that the color picker has picked green. What I want to do is to remove this green background. So whatever color that you see this color picker pick is the color that is going to be removed. If you move it like this and you move it to white, you will see that this color picker is on white and is going to remove white color. So I don't want it to remove white color, so I will move it to the green area. You can see it is on green now. And when it is on green, what you can do next to remove the green color is to go ahead and click on this intensity. Okay, now you will see this particular ball is movable. So if you drag it right, it's going to remove this green screen to a particular intensity. So that's what I will do now. I will move this ball. So you can see the green screen has been removed and you can see only the animation button. After removing that green screen, mark this good sign. Now click on this play button and play to see if the green screen has been completely removed. So I'll click on the play button now. So okay, you can see, let me click on the play button again. You can see that that green screen has been removed. But this subscribe animation button is right on my face and I don't want it to be there. See what I will do. You can see that this subscribe animation has a mark around it like this, which means this particular place is still selected. So see what I will do now. I'm going to pinch this screen and drag it backward. Okay, see what I will do now. I'll pinch it now to reduce the size. Okay, now I will hold it and drag it backwards. I'll drag it to this down side. I want it to be down. It shouldn't be on my face. Let me play this video again. I'll click on this play button. Let me play it again to see how it appears now. You can see how it is working now. It has clicked on the like and you can see the animation now. Subscribe. You can see right that. That's good. Okay, now you see that this like and subscribe, it has extended outside and I don't want it to be here. See what I will do. I'll move it to this ending where this video clip. You can see that this video clip ends here. So I'll go ahead to select this play button to end where this video clip ends. Okay, so now I will move it, let it end here. Now I'm going to click backward. I'll click this back tool. I'll click the back tool again. Then I will tap on this animation layer. When I tap on it, to take me over here, go ahead and click on this split button. When I tap on the split button, it has splitted this area from this area. This particular area that is marked, I will delete it because the video ends here. To delete it, click on this delete button. You can see it has been deleted. Right now, the video and the green screen animation ends at the same place. That is it. Now that you are done, click on this back button and you can play your video to see if everything is well. Okay. After you have completed all your editing, click on this export button to export your video. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss my next valuable video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.